Your debt collection and recovery operations shouldn't feel like a constant uphill sprint. But most teams are weighed down by high operating costs, low connect rates, compliance pressure, and the emotional intensity of talking to stressed borrowers. Vodex changes that. Our voice AI agents handle the heavy lifting by improving right-party contacts with reliable verification and automating Tier 1 conversations, like managing payment reminders, scheduling appointments, payment negotiations, and promise to pays with total consistency. The result? Lighter workloads, higher productivity, fewer errors, and lower operating costs. All while staying fully aligned with regulations like CFPB, FDCPA, TCPA, and Reg F. Whether you're a collection agency, lender, recovery platform, or fintech firm, Vodex helps you deliver a calm, compliant, human-like experience at scale. Empower your team with voice AI that actually works. Book a call to get started today.